Kijak ben riu harijan ki besyong hapo tham yo molong. Ya ka balatip kum ka sweepers colony. Kila dawa balada ki ban kenriak no nakate ke jaka hapo tham yo molong. Syakwi pat ke jaka ki ban yo kumba aspa square meter naka sarkar nakamata kawe-kawe ke ïing bakin syong bakin sa. Ya ka ni gala penpau ha ka jialang ka balakhat naka sarkar menta kasngi ka arsan tarik uyayong arajar arfuar ha ka baladonlang uba preston tensong ubolong u chairman jong ka high level committee ubas nyo bahalang ubolong u menteri ka tanat penresor bat ki dia ki officer jong ka sarkar. Kani ka jalang ka balong mataka sikap pat simla sim ya ka rai ka bakhat du bat labu bakin ka du biang ha ka sipau ni khat baitrik jong bana banwan kat kum ka nyatu jong ba preston tensong ha be kren bakila pathai khubor. Nakaliam kinom ikhmat jong ka harijan panchayat committee kila ong ba kin pensa be ye ki laispa support kilong ïing tang hagui jaka ba ka jaka ka baksuka ka diban ai ka diban long ka jaka jo ka sarkar ni ka revenue land baik kani ka jaka ru clear kran ba dara gidi ban sa antai gidi ban sa shirta amdei ban kini isu naki
ये जगह तो गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड करेगा ना।
घर बनाएगा कौन? गवर्नमेंट और आप लोग?
जो घर बनाने के लिए हमने बोला है कि घर बनाने के लिए जो मतलब कॉस्ट है वो दिया जाए हम लोग को।
अपने से घर बनाए?
हाँ, अपने से घर बनाएंगे, क्योंकि ये जो पहले जो म्यूनिसिपल ने क्वार्टर्स बना के दिए हैं जहाँ जहाँ पे भी वो सब तो डैमेज हो गया, अभी 20 साल भी नहीं हुआ, सब घर टूट गया है। तो जो बिल्डर आते हैं वो मतलब घर बना देते हैं और वो लास्टिंग नहीं होता है।
So how much will you have to pay to the government if the government is going to give you land?
आप क्या सरकार को पैसे देंगे?
नहीं, हम लोग क्यों पैसा देंगे? हम लोग तो जो हमारा पास लैंड है उसके एक्सचेंज में मांग रहे हैं। जैसा मतलब वो जो हमारा पास जो लैंड है वो 3.33 एकड़ 3 एकड़ से ज़्यादा है, ठीक है ना। वो ज़मीन को एक्सचेंज में हम चाहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट जो तकरीबन 9 एकड़ ज़मीन जो है 9-10 एकड़ ज़मीन जो है वो हम लोगों को दे।
But that land belongs to, I mean, the present land belongs to the Himalayan. Ask for the
प्रेजेंट लैंड
वो हिमालयम का लैंड नहीं है, क्योंकि हिमालयम का लैंड था वो, लेकिन उसने तो दे दिया 1853 का पहले तो उसने दे दिया ना वो लैंड हमारे कम्युनिटी को। तभी हमारा कम्युनिटी इतने सालों से वहाँ पे रह रहा है। वहाँ पे हमारा जो रिलीजियस इंस्टीट्यूशन है, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस है, तो वो तो मतलब उनका मर्जी से, गवर्नमेंट का मर्जी से वहाँ पे सेटल हुआ ना। तो अभी गवर्नमेंट अगर हम लोग को चाहता है, हम लोग रीलोकेशन के अगेंस्ट में नहीं है, हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हमारा जो परमानेंट सेटलमेंट हो।
10 एकड़ के करीब अपने
मतलब
जमीन
पर फैमिली हम लोग चाहते हैं, पर फैमिली 200 स्क्वायर मीटर मतलब
तो
गवर्नमेंट
इसके हिसाब से 10 एकड़ के करीब
जितना भी होगा, मतलब 10 एकड़ के करीब होता है।
लैंड आइडेंटिफाई हो गया?
हाँ,
लैंड
उन लोगों ने कुछ सजेशन दिया है?
अभी गवर्नमेंट प्रपोजल देगा हम लोग को। अभी वो प्रपोजल क्या होगा इस बात पे तो गवर्नमेंट एग्री नहीं हो रहा है।
We are identifying not less than 2-3 places. So this also we will be able to tell you exactly once the Urban Affairs Department done all the details.
So one question, since this discussion between government and the HPC took place because of the High Court intervention, has the government appealed to them that they should also withdraw the petition that is there in the court so that these things will go smoothly?
Yeah, no, in fact right now we see this is the second meeting on the basis of the High Court order, okay, and we will continue to do that till we reach to a conclusion where both sides, again from the government as well as from the HPC, once we are agreeable, then we will jointly file affidavit to the Honorable High Court to close down the case.
Sir, but what will happen to the official quarters of the municipal board since the HPC, has expressed that?
Okay, friends, today again we had a meeting with the HPC relating to the subject of relocation. In fact, again, they have submitted a proposal to us. Of course, they agreed for relocation, but certain conditions they have submitted to us where we discussed today. And again, ultimately what we were decided today from the government side, we will prepare a blueprint, detailed proposal from the government side. And then once that is done, we will communicate officially to them. And once that is done, they will sit down again with their residents over there and take a final decision.
When
So
will,
it is
when will be the next meeting then?
next meeting, I think maybe by before 10 or 15 of next month, hopefully we'll be able to prepare all the detailed proposal to be submitted to them. And once that is done, then meeting will be held again. Very soon.
So what are these?
See, they wanted that it should be shifted to one place. All of them, means all the 342. For that also we agreed. And they said that it should be also within the government revenue land. That also we agreed. Okay, that also we agreed. Therefore, right now, as I said to you, I can't say anything beyond that. Let the Urban Affairs Department work out all the details, and then we will send back those detailed blueprint to the HPC, and again after that we will sit down across the table once again.
Any timelines has been set for this exercise?
No, in fact, we have already asked Urban Affairs Department to speed up this issue, and once that is done, we will send it to them. I think it will not take much time, maybe on or before 15th of May.